Now guys, we have created the cover, and now what we can do is that just remove this as well. We do not require this. Okay, blah blah blah, remove. And we can just go to templates and we can just select, content. Basically we want one table of content. That means what are the things which we have covered, basically to this ebook, right? So let's, oops, no, we are not getting here. Let's search with, uh, table of content. Okay, so here we can see that we are getting lot many templates, so we can just use these templates. Okay. I guess we can just remove. Okay, so from here you can just remove these images, and you can just give the effect of this. Okay, so basically just tap here, and what we can do is that we can just change the color to yellow. Why? Because our design only has three colors: black, white and yellow, right? So we are just maintaining that same thing, so we can just make it black. Similarly you can just make these things black as well. And here in the images you can just search for, for example, we want to put something that is related to ebook, so we can just search here ebook, and we will going to get a lot many images, so we can just put things in this image. Or let's try to put photos, so let's put this photo here, this photo here, this photo here, mm, and this photo here, oops, this photo here, and similarly let's put this photo here. Okay, so similarly you can just create it, and you can just write the topics that you will going to cover, and this will be uh, ebook design. I can just change the color to black, right? So you can see that we have created the table of content very easily. Again, just click on add page, and here you can just add, two rectangles. So let me just teach you. Just choose this one, and let's choose this one, and let's make the color to let's say black. And also keep one more, and let's put the black one here. Okay, black, like this. Okay, okay, done. Let's put it to very back. Let's change the color to white, and what we can do is that the border, that means the background color, we can just change it to yellow, for example. So now you can see this look, it is giving a very good, effect. And what we can do is that we can also put some page numbers. So just go to shapes, and you can just select this one, this banner, and you can just make it, kind of small. You can just put it at very top here, and let's change the color to, let's say, red. Okay, so this is looking very great. If you want, you can just make it to black color as well. And let's now go to text, and let's select this text, and let's select the text that is 01 page number. So what I can do is that I can just select it to here like this, 01 page number. Okay, that means page number 1 basically. And let's, okay, okay, now it's looking great. Okay, and here you can just make the margin. So make sure that whenever you write some text or anything, so make sure that you put some space between here. Okay, so now in between these lines we can just add, text. Okay, so let's add some text. Let's make it, for example, what is ebook. Let's make it to bold and we can just paste it here. Just for a teaching purpose, I can just take some demo text from the limsum. I can just take this much of the text, for example. Okay, right click on copy. Just go to your template, just paste the text here. Okay, let's make the color to black and oops, let me just go to text and select our text, which is this one, and I can just paste it here. Okay, okay, so this is looking great. It is adjusting the size. Okay, I can just remove this one. Oops, let me just remove. Okay, we can just select our text, and in this text we can just paste this text like this. Okay, and we can just paste this text here. You can just make it left align. You can just justify it right align and the center align. So I will going to choose this left align. Okay, and now you can see the thing is looking very great. You can oops, what you can do is that you can just make it lock, so it will not going to move from the place. Now you can just copy paste and you can just put the text here. You can again just copy paste this paragraph and you can just put it here like this. Okay, just for a demo you can just duplicate this one, and for example at very top you want to add kind of image, so you can just go to elements and again just search for ebook, go to photos and you can just select any of the image. So I will just choose this image. I will make the image here like this. Let's make it big. You can just put it to back. Okay, so you can see it's looking very great now. You can just make the what is ebook to down, so you can just customize the you know text and image, length and height, okay, like this. So you can see this is looking so amazing. So in this way you can just put images, text, table of content and cover, and you can just create your ebook. So for example if you want to add one more, so make sure that you also change the page number. So here we have this 01. If you want you can just make it pay in the white color. So white color will going to visible a lot. Okay, 01 page number. Let's put it to 02 page number 02, and let's put this last page as a 03 page number. So similarly you can just create tons and tons of uh, design with here. Okay, okay, and now you can see just scroll down and let's add one last one. So just click on add page. You can just make this page to white color. Okay, and you can now just go to templates, and from templates you can just select something like thank you, and you can just select anything you want. mm, let's select, let's say this one is also looking great. Let's select this one. Okay, so you can see that we have put one thank you at very last. You can of course change it the way you want. Okay, you can even uh, say people to follow you on this much. So let make the thing very much simple. So for example I can see that this text is customizable, so I can just change it to whatever you want, and along with that you can just put your Instagram. For example just search for Instagram in the elements, and you will just search something like this. So you can just put the text here like this, and you can just say uh, text, and you can just say thanks for support, like this. And you can just put your here, okay. And you can just write here, follow us on, and you can just make the text very small, follow us on. And here you can just put copy paste, and you can just put your username you have, okay. So for example, we have this username, so I will going to put my username here, like this, okay. So guys, basically in this way you can just create your thank you page, and you can just write here whatever you want, okay. Along with that, this is a ebook. So what you can do is that, for example, in case you have an Instagram, so in case we have an Instagram uh, page, so let me just go here, Bing Commerce Instagram. So I can just copy the URL like this, right click on copy. Basically it will not going to include here this much, okay. Boom. And just copy the URL like this for your Instagram maybe, or for anything. And what you can do is that you can just click on this, just select this, and you can just go to top, and here you will see this link option. Tap here and right click on paste the link, and click on enter. So whenever someone will going to click here, they will go to your Instagram. If you want to basically do not want to underline, so just untick, and you can see even when someone will try to click here, they will go to the Instagram. So in this way you can also add links to your ebooks as well, okay. So make sure that you just create this type of ebook, and after that it is in basically in PDF format. So you just need to download it in the PDF format, okay. So just just tap on the share button, click on the download button, and then from here just select to PDF. So PDF is standard. For example, if you want to create this ebook for printing purpose, so you in that case just select this one, it is the best for printing. But if you want one ebook kind of thing, a digital product, so just choose PDF standard, select the page. So in our case I just want to select all the pages. In case if you do not want to select all the pages, so for example you only want to select 1 2 3, so you can see click on done, it will only going to select 1 2 3 pages. But of course I just want to select all the pages, so I will just click on all the pages, click on done. So all pages are selected, then click on this download button. So it will going to download one PDF for you guys, okay. So let's wait for the PDF to get downloaded. And here you can see this is a PDF which you guys have just now created, okay. And this is how you can just create ebook very easily, okay. So we have just told you all the methods and everything, and here you can see when you will take your basically your cursor on this bingcommerce.official. So here we have pasted the link, right, of our Instagram. So you can just tap here, so you can see it will going to open your Instagram, okay. So this is a very cool thing, and this is how you can just design your ebook. This is how you can just put images, text, and you can uh, use links to your ebooks as well, okay. And there are plenty of different shapes and things. So if you want to go with different kind of shapes, so you can just go with shapes, and there are many things, okay. So this is what I want to tell you. So just go to file to remove the show ruler, so just tap here, it will going to remove, and this is the ebook which you guys have just now created. Also sometimes what happened, like here in the case of the thank you, so in case you can see that we have got you some templates, but when we were creating basically the table of content, so we were not getting a lot of templates. So here you can just search on Canva of table of content, you can see like this. So just tap here, and they will going to give you a plenty of templates, so you can just even choose it as well, okay. So for example, if you think that this template will going to work for me, or let's say this one, so you can just simply select this. Okay, and you can just copy the design and you can just paste in your design. Okay, for example, let me just teach you. For example, this was the table of content. Let me just show you how you can do that. So we have created two table of content. Now let me just design the table of content here. Okay, let's remove everything. Now it's blank. Now you can see, you can just select everything, right click on copy. Okay, or what you can do is that you can just select them and you can just put to group if we get that option. Okay, not getting that option, just so just select on the copy by selecting all the content. Then just go to your design where you want to paste the table of content, right click on paste, and then you will going to see that we have got everything from another design to our design. And now you can just change the thing you want. For example, we want it to be in black color, so we can choose it to black color. We want some other design, so in place of this design we can just go ahead and you can just choose some design that is kind of related to your ebooks. Okay, so I think this will be look good, I guess. Photos, let's select photos, and in photos let's put, this design, for example. Okay, so in this way you can just put the table of content as well from some other design to your design. Super simple. Okay, so I am just deleting this page. So in this way you can just create your ebook very easily. Okay, okay,